It's Donnie Dinwiddie.
I'm Tracy Dinwiddie, and I've lived in this house my entire life, born and raised here. We're in Woodstock in Virginia Beach, and we've enjoyed living here and doing all the local things. We like to go to Surf Rider, and we hit the beach whenever we can, and we bike around the rec center, take full advantage of that, and now we have our own pool. I researched the different types of pools. I've swam in different types of pools. I've never swam in a fiberglass, but after I did the research and found out, you pay up front to save through the life and the longevity of the pool because it's forever. And then the size was, do we want to fill up the whole backyard? We wanted enough for our grandkids and for us to just chill out. Solid Structures, actually, my girlfriend's niece found them on the internet. I called 4 companies. Solid Structures got right back to me. Jason did a great job. Everything he said, he did it on time, and every day you would even not know they were here. So clean. Normally, every day, and we do keep it on through the winter because we also have a heater. Everybody that walks back here wants one. They love coming over. We have people that come over just to let their dogs swim. I have the best pool boy in the world, and here he is to tell you.
Yes, I really enjoy the fact that the pool stays so clean, and I really was surprised at how low a maintenance there is with a fiberglass pool. I have a robotic cleaner that I use, and it does a really, really good job, but I think a lot of my fun is doing it myself. I put my scuba gear on and swim around and take my snorkel and just have a good time cleaning it myself.
Anybody. We would recommend them to anybody. Any size, any shape, whatever your needs are, they can do it for you.
And Ryan was the one that we dealt with Solid Structure, and he was just over the top good. We would give him a big, big high five.
Becca, the whole office has just been great.
Yeah.
And we got all this beautiful patio through Solid Structures also.